Hello, my name is Elena, and I would like to tell about my project. This is WordPress. I want to start and show which plugin I used. In this project, I use WooCommerce plugin and extra one plugin. It calls Add to Any Share Buttons. So on each page, it shows the buttons which you can click and go to the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, WhatsApp. Let me show the pages which I created. So this is the pages. Cart, checkout, kids t-shirts, my account, home, about us, contact, and privacy page. So the site which I created was about like kids clothes, and it has a name KNT. So let me show this. So I know it doesn't look perfect. I spend a lot of time with code to make it working. So this is my code. This is contact page, footer, header, function page, home page. I created two homepage templates. So this one worked but didn't show the content. This one is working and shows the content. That's why I use this one as a default when I went to the dashboard. I use the first one, which with no plugin, so it shows the content which I created here. I will post the code which I made when I followed the videos, and unfortunately this code didn't work for my project and completely broken. I will post it in the Blackboard as extra one file, like Word file, so you can see that I work with code and spend a lot of time. But I decided to leave the code which is working. So for example, for the footer, I decided to stick with original code. Header, I modify a little bit header, so this header comes from the video, and I add some stuff here. So because I wanna make it working because it was broken before. And function page, I use the original function page, and I add function my widgets. It still show some errors because it show like red underline, and but it shows like it's working. I removed this code. Give me one moment. So this code which was at the very end of the function file, this one, remove action, add action, I remove this because it shows me that my whole project was broken. So I remove it and leave only the working code. So this is the home page of the project. This is the online shop for t-shirts for kids. The name of site KNT. This is home page. This is a link. So when you press, you go to the shopping page. This is the buttons which you can press, and it will link you to the Facebook, Twitter, and other stuff. This is the footer. I add some content here, the t-shirt, the image, and categories and posts. They are all working, so you can press and you will see how you will go to another page. This is the shopping page. Sorry for the big size of logo. I try to find why it's such a big size, and unfortunately I was not able to fix it. So I have products here on the product page. I have 6 products, so you can press and add it to the cart. So it shows that I added to the cart. As well, I have the footer here on this page. The next page is the cart page. So I already have 2 items in my cart. It shows me subtotal, shipping information, and I can to proceed to checkout. So, and the footer again. About Us page is the next page. And just lorem ipsum and image of kids' clothes. When you're going down, I still have footer here. The next page is Contact Us page. I tried to add the form for contact, but it didn't work. So that's why I don't have contact form here, unfortunately. Sorry. The privacy policy page. It's very slow. It is a standard page, just with standard information. Footer here. And checkout. Checkout page. So it shows the billing details. You can fill out the form, first name, last name, company name, all this information. It shows the order and payment details, and place the order. So this is the project of online shopping. This is the post here. I want to show all my posts as well. This is the post. I have 3 posts: boys t-shirt, t-shirts, K&T. I added also the payment information here. Change the settings. Plugins. I decided to use not too much plugins, because too much plugins make the website very slow. So I just decided to stick with these particular plugins, and I think that's it. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you.